Oh, hey there. So we are back with Google Sheets API. So now I'm going to show you how to copy a sheet from one spreadsheet to another spreadsheet. So as you can see, this is the first sheet and these are the values. So I just have to copy this sheet to another spreadsheet here. It's called sheet 456. So now I'll go to the demo page. This is the form. First I have to give the spreadsheet ID of the sheet where there is data. This is it's the sheet 123. I'll paste the ID here. Then this is the input where I have to give the sheet ID. So for sheet ID, if you go to the spreadsheet, you can see there is GID equal to 0. So this is the value. 0 is sheet 1. So if I create one more sheet here, it's called sheet 3. You can see the ID changes. So that's the sheet ID. So I'll delete this. So now I'll go to the demo, it's 0. Then here I have to give the recipient spreadsheet ID, which is the spreadsheet ID of sheet 456. I have to copy that from the URL. Then I'll give it here. Then I'll click on copy. So I'll go to sheet 456. As you can see, there is a sheet created here. It's called copy of sheet 1. If I click on it, you can see that data here. Now I'll go to the backend and show you. So this is the workflow where I'm using an action called copy sheet from one spreadsheet to another, where it asks for the ID of the spreadsheet where the data is available, then the sheet ID, which is 0, and then the token and the destination spreadsheet ID, which is the sheet 456. So yeah, this is how you copy one sheet from one spreadsheet to another. Thank you.